Hello everyone, this is Ashraf from EduPlanet Academy. Today we are going to discuss about one prime topic from Telangana 10th class math. That is Basic Proportionality Theorem. It is also known as Thales Theorem. This topic comes under the chapter of similar triangles. Let us take the example of triangle ABC. See here, this triangle ABC has three sides. For any one side in this triangle, see side AB, side BC, side AC. Three sides are available here. For any one side, if you draw the parallel line, then that parallel line will divide remaining two sides in the equal ratio. Yes, it is nothing but our Thales theorem. By example, we will understand it very clearly. See here, to the side BC, I have drawn the parallel line. Let us take that parallel line as XY. So I can say that in triangle ABC, in this triangle ABC, XY line parallel to side BC. Then I can say that this line XY divides remaining two sides. Remaining two sides are what? Side AB and side AC. XY divides remaining two sides AB and AC in equal ratio. This is known as Thales theorem. Once again, we'll see it in triangle ABC. Totally there are three sides. Here, by considering one side BC, to this side I am drawing parallel line XY. It means in triangle ABC, XY is parallel to BC. Then I can say that parallel line, the drawn parallel line will divide remaining two sides. Those remaining two sides are what? AB and AC in equal ratio. This is known as Thales theorem. By taking one example, now we are going to understand it. Yes dear. See here, in this triangle PQR, what are the parallel lines? Yes, your guess is correct. XY parallel to QR. Then I can say that line XY can divide remaining two sides in the equal ratio. That thing, how we can represent? Very easy. PQ and PR will be divided in equal ratio. In simple words, we can write that PX upon QX equals Py upon Ry. Yes, this is known as Thales theorem. Yes, in this triangle PQR, XY parallel to QR, then remaining two sides PQ and PR will be divided in the equal ratio. It means Px upon Qx equals Py upon Ry. One more interesting fact we are going to generate about this Thales theorem. That would be, see, what was our last step? Px by Qx equals Py by Ry. Now what I am going to do? By adding 1 both sides, let us see the magic. Now some interesting thing is going to be generated. By adding 1 both sides for this statement, what is our last statement? Px by Qx equals Py by Ry. Let me write their reciprocals. It means Qx by Px equals Ry by Py. By adding 1 both sides, it would be Qx by Px plus 1 equals Ry by Py plus 1. It would be in the denominator Px, in the numerator Qx plus Px ones Px. You must have the good knowledge about LCM, taking LCM. In the right side, the denominator would be Py, in the numerator Ry plus Py ones Py. Check the figure. Qx plus Px. What you can say about it? Qx plus Px is nothing but PQ. PQ upon Px equals ry plus py, ry plus py is nothing but pr upon py. Again, write the reciprocals of them. Px by pq equals py by pr. See dears, as of now, I told you two kind of instances. In this triangle PQR, to the any one side QR, if I draw the parallel line, that parallel line will divide remaining two sides into equal ratio. This is our Thales theorem. It is nothing but basic proportionality theorem. So, what were those two instances I explained you? Here I am going to mention. In this triangle PQR, XY is parallel to QR, then I can say that the first instance, the first situation would be Px by Qx equals Py by Ry. Simple, by using BPT rule, easily we can write the remaining two sides will be divided in the equal ratio, that is Px by Qx equals Py by Ry. This is clear. When it comes to case 2, how I did it, how I achieved this one? Simple. To this statement, firstly, what I did, I written their reciprocals. Later, I added one both sides. Then I have got some statement. That statement only here I am going to write it. That is what? Px by Pq. Px by Pq equals Py by Pr. Have you understood? By taking another triangle, now we are going to understand it. Dear students, once have a look on this triangle. In this triangle ABC, what are parallel? XY parallel to AB. Yes, right? AB parallel to XY. Then I can say that this parallel line XY will divide remaining two sides BC and AC in the equal ratio. It means in the first case, I can write that AY by CY equals BX by CX. This is first statement. The second situation is AY by AC, the shorter side by longer side equals BX by BC. Just substitute the values, you will get equal ratios.